Welcome to Bimini, the hidden gem of the Bahamas. Just 50 miles from Florida, this tropical paradise is packed with adventure, history, and breathtaking beauty. From exploring legendary shipwrecks to swimming with wild dolphins, Bimini offers an unforgettable island experience. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a history buff, or just looking to relax in paradise, this island has something for everyone. So grab your sunglasses and get ready. Here are the 6 best things to do in Bimini, Bahamas. Number 6. Sapona wreck off the coast of Bimini lies one of the most fascinating shipwrecks in the world, the SS Sapona. Half sunken and rusted by time, this ghostly structure is more than just a wreck. It's a piece of history, a snorkeling paradise, and an unforgettable adventure waiting to be explored. Originally built as a concrete cargo ship during World War I, the SS Sapona was part of an experimental fleet meant to conserve steel. But before it ever saw battle, it was sold for commercial use, later repurposed by rum runners during Prohibition to smuggle alcohol into the US. That is, until a massive hurricane in 1926 ran it aground, leaving it permanently stranded in shallow waters off Bimini. Today, the Sapona is one of the most popular snorkeling and diving sites in the Bahamas. With its coral-covered structure and abundant marine life, it's a haven for tropical fish, lobsters, and even the occasional reef shark. Adventurers can swim through its open sections, marvel at the vibrant sea life, and even climb onto parts of the wreck for a breathtaking view. Whether you're a history buff, a snorkeler, or just looking for an epic photo op, the SS Sapona is a must-visit. So next time you're in Bimini, don't miss the chance to explore this legendary wreck. Number 5. World Bimini Beach Club. Nestled on the stunning shores of Bimini, the World Bimini Beach Club is the ultimate tropical escape. Whether you're looking to lounge by the beach, sip on refreshing cocktails, or dance to the beats of live music, this private beach club offers an unforgettable experience. Located on the exclusive Bimini Island, this beach club is a dream destination for cruise travelers, especially those sailing with Virgin Voyages. The moment you arrive, you're greeted with swaying palm trees, vibrant beach vibes, and crystal clear waters just waiting to be explored. Want to unwind? Grab a plush lounge chair or private cabana and soak in the Bahamian sun. Craving a drink? The beachside bars serve up tropical cocktails, ice-cold beers, and refreshing coconut water. And if you're feeling adventurous, there's plenty to do: snorkeling, paddleboarding, and even jet skiing. As the day heats up, the World Bimini Beach Club turns into a lively beach party. With world-class DJs, energetic vibes, and a backdrop of the ocean, it's the perfect place to dance the afternoon away. And let's not forget the food. Indulge in delicious Bahamian flavors, from fresh seafood to island-inspired dishes, all prepared with locally sourced ingredients. Whether you're here for relaxation or adventure, the World Bimini Beach Club offers the best of both worlds. So next time you visit Bimini, make sure to add this tropical oasis to your bucket list. Number 4. Beach Club 360. Located on the stunning shores of Bimini, Beach Club 360 is a hotspot for visitors looking to relax, party, and soak in the breathtaking views. Whether you arrive by boat or as part of a cruise excursion, you're in for a day of pure paradise. Want to unwind? Grab a comfortable lounge chair, sip on a refreshing cocktail, and let the island breeze take over. If you're feeling more adventurous, you can dive into the warm waters for some snorkeling, paddleboarding, or jet skiing. Of course, no beach club experience is complete without amazing drinks and food. Beach Club 360's bars offer a variety of island-inspired cocktails, ice-cold beers, and fresh coconut water. And if you're hungry, you'll love the delicious Caribbean cuisine, from grilled seafood to flavorful island specialties. And when the sun is high, the party kicks in. With live DJs, energetic beats, and a lively atmosphere, Beach Club 360 turns into the perfect beach party destination. Whether you're dancing by the shore or chilling in a private cabana, there's something for everyone. So if you're visiting Bimini and want the ultimate beach club experience, Beach Club 360 is calling your name. Relax, party, and make unforgettable memories in this tropical paradise. Number 3. Bimini Big Game Club. The ultimate getaway for anglers, divers, and island adventurers. Located in the heart of Alice Town, this legendary resort and marina has been a top destination for sport fishing, scuba diving, and relaxation for over 80 years. Originally founded in 1936, Bimini Big Game Club has a rich history, once frequented by legendary writer and avid fisherman Ernest Hemingway. Today, it remains a world-famous spot for deep-sea fishing and water adventures. Bimini is known as the sport fishing capital of the world, and this is the best place to experience it. Whether you're chasing bonefish in the shallows or battling trophy fish in deep waters, the club offers expert guides and top-notch charter boats. Not into fishing? No problem. Dive into Bimini's underwater wonders, from the mysterious SS Sapona shipwreck to the mesmerizing reefs of Triangle Rocks. Snorkel, swim with sharks, or simply enjoy the crystal-clear waters. After an exciting day on the water, unwind at the club's waterfront restaurant and bar. Indulge in Bahamian seafood, sip on tropical cocktails, and soak in the laid-back island vibes. For fishing, diving, or simply escaping to paradise, Bimini Big Game Club is a must-visit. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable island adventure. Number 2. Explore the depths of Tuna Alley, one of Bimini's most thrilling dive sites. Located just a few miles offshore, this underwater paradise is a dream destination for divers seeking adventure, marine life, and breathtaking ocean landscapes. Tuna Alley gets its name from the large schools of tuna that frequent the area. But that's just the beginning. As you explore the depths, you'll encounter an incredible variety of marine life, from giant grouper and snappers to graceful eagle rays gliding through the water. This site is famous for its stunning coral formations and deep crevices that create a maze-like terrain. The visibility here is often spectacular, reaching up to 100 feet, making it a photographer's paradise. Whether you're an experienced diver or just getting started, Tuna Alley offers an unforgettable experience beneath the waves. Get ready to immerse yourself in one of Bimini's most iconic underwater locations. Number 1. Ocean Cay, a private island paradise in the Bahamas designed for ultimate relaxation and eco-friendly adventure. Owned and operated by MSC Cruises, this stunning island retreat is more than just a beach getaway. It's a marine reserve dedicated to preserving the beauty of the ocean while offering visitors an unforgettable experience. As soon as you arrive, you'll be greeted by breathtaking views of turquoise waters, soft sandy shores, and a relaxed island vibe. Whether you're looking for adventure, tranquility, or a little bit of both, Ocean Cay has something for everyone. Explore the vibrant marine life with snorkeling excursions, paddle through the calm waters, or take a kayak tour around the island. Ocean Cay is home to a thriving coral restoration project, making it an ideal spot to witness marine conservation in action. Prefer to unwind? Find a shady spot under a palm tree, sip on a refreshing cocktail, or indulge in a beachfront massage at the Ocean Cay Spa. And don't miss the island's famous lighthouse, a perfect place to catch a spectacular Bahamian sunset. From sunrise to sunset, Ocean Cay offers a one-of-a-kind private island experience. So next time you cruise with MSC, get ready to step into paradise.